Two aviation disasters, just days apart. A medical jet crashes in Philadelphia, while a mid-air collision over Washington, D.C. leaves no survivors. What happened? Could these tragedies have been prevented? A Learjet 55, carrying 6 people, including a pediatric patient, took off from Northeast Philadelphia Airport. Moments later, it plummeted from the sky. A fiery explosion consumed homes and vehicles near Roosevelt Mall. Witnesses described the impact as like a missile strike. The FAA and NTSB are investigating, while emergency crews work tirelessly to recover remains and assess damage. Just 2 days earlier, an American Airlines jet collided mid-air with a Black Hawk helicopter near Reagan National Airport, killing all 67 on board. Recovery efforts in the Potomac River have yielded 41 bodies so far. Officials are questioning air traffic control staffing at the time. Was this preventable? Leaders react. Former President Trump calls the crashes tragic. Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro mobilizes state resources. Investigators race for answers. 2 crashes, dozens dead. Are our skies safe? Investigations are underway, but for now, families mourn and a nation watches. Stay updated. Subscribe for more breaking news.